Okay, let's talk about this misgendered issue circulating online. This content creator, Jack Argota, ginreshared niya ang post from ABS-CBN News highlighting this graduation pic ni Aura Briguela nga may caption nga, "Anong her? Good luck, bro." I don't know if he's really genuine sa iya nga post or it's an insult. Actually, ang issue nga ni, it highlights the deeper problem of disrespect and insensitivity toward gender identity. What's gender identity? Amo ni siya ang baratsagon sang isa ka tawo sa iya nga kaugalingon. It's an internal sense of who they are in terms of gender. Whether that's male, female, both, iban gani neither, di ba? Or somewhere along the gender spectrum. It's how you see yourself, not what your body or birth certificate says. Pwede gid ni siya mag-match or differ sa imo nga sex assigned at birth. It's not the same as sexual orientation. Sexual orientation is different. It's who you are attracted to. Okay? Gender identity is who you are in your heart and mind when it comes to being a boy, being a girl, being gay, lesbian, and so on. And only you can decide that. So why did ABS-CBN address Aura as her? Likely because it aligns with Aura's gender identity. Kita nyo man, diba? All these years, Aura has been expressing herself as feminine. Bisan gani sa mga movie niya, diba? Or mga personal life niya nga, mga vlog niya na bala. Makita nyo gid. Though wala niya man gin state nga we should refer her as she or her, still, ABS-CBN refer her as her or she. Ask me why? It's an act of respect. And I'm pretty sure nga ang ABS-CBN, it promotes diversity when it comes to gender identity, especially sa aton nga mga LGBTQIA++ community. And this is opposite of what Jack Argota did. Kung sa diin gin misgendered niya si Aura by addressing her as bro, gin-disregard niya ang feminine pronoun ni Aura. Amo na bala sa ibanda, if you're unsure of someone's pronoun, it's okay to ask politely. Or gamita ngalan nila, use their name, para hindi sila ma-offend. Kay for sure, kung nag-approach na kamo politely sa ila, ang matabo is ma-respond man na sila sa imo politely. Pero may ara man abidang mga iban nga entitled man sa ilang nga mga pronoun, ipagsigawan gid bala nila, you call me ma'am, you call me sir, you call me blah blah blah, amo ni. No, you don't have to do that. Hindi lang bala ikaw ang wala galibot sa imo ang kalibutan. You don't know who you are dealing with every day. Wala ka nakabalo sang ilang mga past. What if wala gali sila kabalo sang ning gender identity nga ni? May ara nga daan iban nga wala pa sila knowledge about sa gender identity. So ang himuon mo is you let them understand. You try to explain to them. Kag you tell them nga, oh, you can call me mom. You can call me sir. That's how I would like to be called. Ang iban abidang mga entitled gid kag aggressive about their pronouns. We should let people understand paano tani nila ma-accept kung kita hindi taman sila ma-accept. Respect is a two-way street. It's earned not by force, but by kindness, patience, and clear communication. You know, guys, if we demand understanding, we must also be willing to educate and not to humiliate. So kung sinoda ang nagapang-insulto pa sa inyo, educate them kay wala pa na siguro sila kaintindi about gender identity. You know, true pride isn't loud or aggressive. It's grounded, confident, and most of all, respectful. Okay? Okay.